Well, I can't even do a decent job of faking that I know what this thing is. It's got a label on it, and some kind of industrial equipment. It does have a Yale lock. This part I understand. The rest of it, maybe not so much. A little plunger thing there. I do have a key for it. It's got pretty good bitting. Not bad, a 6-pinner. And it works perfectly. And when you turn it, that little arm, that's all it does. No other magic occurs. The only thing on it, there are a couple of mounting bolts here. I guess we're bolted onto the equipment. And then somewhere down here, I noticed, there it is, a pin, but that probably holds that plunger in. Unless we cut these rivets off, I don't think we're going to be able to get that out of there. But, you know, old technology, I really don't expect a whole lot out of it. Get out of there. All right, so our plunger is, I guess, let's call that the locked position. I'm going to try to hold this in my hand. So, see if we can't get this dude picked. Let's try. Nice wide keyway. It is a Yale keyway. And let me see if I can use the pry bar even. No, not quite. All right, we're going to stay with this guy, 1.2 millimeter. This is the SP14 from the multi-pick kit. I think that'll do. I'm going to just hold it in my hand. We don't need to put this in a vise. And because it's a Yale, well-known keyway, nothing dangerous, you know, no ferret's going to bite the tip of my pick off. I'm going to risk my rat yoke. I'm getting a lot of use out of this guy lately. All right, so all the way in. I'm going to apply moderate tension and see what we got. I'm looking for, oh, we're caught. There we go. No, I wasn't. It was on a pin, actually. Feels like around pin 4. Little click. Looking for another binder. All those are springy. It's got to be one. There it is, right in the back. That was 5. That was 4 again, falling down. Okay, come on. Let me check this guy right behind the tensioner. Oh, he's still not binding. I don't feel any turn on the core. Okay, that was pin 6. I did feel a tiny turn on the core. But I really don't expect to find any counter rotation on a lock, especially an industrial lock. Now I'm on pin 1, right behind the tensioner. He seems to be binding. Felt another very slight turn on the core. And there we go. Whatever piece of machinery was locked is now unlocked. Probably one of those pieces of safety equipment. Anyway, guys, there you go. The superior Interlock Yale H1 keyway. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. I wish I could figure out how to gut this. I sure would be able to trick that thing out a little bit with some alien technology, but no dice. Thanks, guys.